Megan with WTI. Are you a backpack camper? Often true backpacking means that there are no picnic tables at the campsite. So having a small lightweight table where you can prepare food is really essential. And that's why having a great extendable folding table like this one by iClimb is essential. I love this table because it's easy to put together. All the parts are attached kind of the same way tent poles are. So if you've ever put a tent together, you can put this together. The cool thing is if you buy multiple tables, you can actually connect them together to create an even longer table. I find that the iClimb table is the perfect height when using it beside a camping chair. So this is also great for backyard bonfires so that you can put your extra drinks and snacks on them, because I personally find that there are just never enough cup holders in your camping chair. I love that it is super lightweight and small, which means it's easy to take with you in a backpack. It's very easy to assemble and disassemble, and it's a perfect addition to your backpacking essential needs. And that's my point of view.